Alright guys, so in this first video I'm actually looking at the lean model canvas, and I just want to show you, let us just familiarize ourselves with the template of what the lean model canvas is all about. The idea behind the lean model canvas is that it helps you to bring out your business model as quickly as possible. One of the biggest problems that entrepreneurs and small business owners have is that they do not understand the model that they want to run their businesses with. And because they don't understand what model they're supposed to use, or that they want to use, or that will be the best suited model for their business and maybe the location where they're at, they will struggle. I see a lot of small business owners struggle because these are people that I interface with every single day of my working life. And I see them struggle basically because most of them don't understand how to build a model. And once in a while, people contact me and say, hey, Yusuf, come and bring some intervention in our business. Come and do this, come and do that. And I tell them, look, what's your model? I need to understand your model. A lot of times when people don't know what model they want to operate with, they actually cannot help you, the business consultant, in ensuring that they succeed. Many people don't know that they have a part in their own business success, in the story of their own business success. A lot of people just want to pay you, go and do the job for us, but it doesn't work that way. At least it doesn't work that way with me. Okay, so that's the idea behind this particular class. I just want to show you how you can use the business model canvas to understand a business model, to build a business model. And I'm just going to be checking my laptop. If you see me go this way, I'm looking at my laptop. So the model I'm using, the template I'm using, like I said earlier, is the lean model canvas. And I'll just like to show you how the template looks like. It has 9 sections. It's a derivative of the business model canvas, and it has the problem section, the customer segment, the solution, the metrics, the unique value proposition, the unfair advantage, the channels, the cost structure, the revenue streams. And right there in the middle, as you see it being divided, we have the product on the left hand side and you have the market on the right hand side, because that's what your business is all about, right? Either a product or a service that you have it for a market, and that's simply what we'll focus on in this particular recording.